Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can add coupon code option on your Ninja Forms. So if you would like to give a discount, it could be like $10 off or even 10% off. You can add on your Ninja Forms. So let's see how we can do this. So the final form will be something like this. So they will fill all the input fields and here they can apply the coupon code. So like 10 off, so it's give them a 10% discount from the $50. So if I make any mistake like this, it will not work, and you can give warning there, but we'll see this later. So let's see how we can create similar functionality on our existing form, or even you can create a new form. So go to your Ninja Forms, click to add new. So we will start with the blank form. So let's add some basic fields. So first name, last name, email address, phone number. We can have some more fields like radio list. So we can ask how they would like to pay. They would like to pay using the card or the offline method. So we can see this, or we can just add the discount option to this tutorial, and on the next tutorial we can also see how can we get online and offline payment at the same time from a single form. So let's delete this. So we'll go with the basic form, and we can add some basic items, or we can even add some membership label. So we'll need the radio list for this. So we will offer is different type of membership levels. It can be like gold. The gold price like $50, silver 25, oh sorry, or infinity we can 100. So let's drag this. So silver, gold, and infinity, 25, 50, and 100. Okay. So we'll make this field required. We'll make first name, last name, email address, phone, all are required, and also the membership label. So let's publish the form. So form title, the form title like the gym membership or whatever you can call. So now if you're going to preview this form, so I'm going to add this form on my existing page. So update the form and view the page. You will see I can add those type of data here and select the membership label. Now let's make our hand dirty and add some functionality there. So at first we will add some calculation like here. So calculation will be total, and it can be equivalent to the radio list field value. And we would like to display this on here whenever someone select a specific membership label. So let's add a HTML field, drag this to the top, and let's rename this total amount, and the default value should be set to the calculation, or we can set to the specific radio field, but we will set to the calculation because there something else we will do in the future from the calculation end. So if we save changes and reload the page, you will see by default it's 0, if we select any field, it will display like this. So let's make this better way. So total amount, we can add $sign for this. So it will look like a better. So if we do this, it will something like this, but we don't want to display this when none of the field is selected. So by default, it's showing like this, but we don't want to display until someone select a specific item. To do this, we will need a conditional logic add-on from NinjaForms. So you can have it from ninjaform.com/add-ons, add-ons, add-ons, and you can purchase conditional logic from here. Or if you already have a membership, then you should get it under your membership. So we already have this. So let's begin. So go to conditional logic and go to the membership levels. So whenever someone select or has select silver, gold, or infinity, you can just display this field. You can set something like this: membership level has select silver, and membership level has select gold, and membership level yes has select infinity. Then we would like to display the total amount show field, and if the condition doesn't meet, the total amount should be hide. So let's check the front end. So by default it's hide, but whenever we'll select, it should be display. And we made mistake in the conditional logic. It should not be and, it should be or condition, because they are not be able to select multiple items at the same time. That's why the condition should be set to or. So if select silver, gold, infinity, it should be display like this. So this is how we are able to achieve this. Let's add the coupon field option here. So basically we don't have any coupon field option, but we will add a single line text field here, and we'll rename this to coupon code. And you can set some restriction like how many input or character they can try on the field, or some other things. You can also disable the from autocomplete. Let's keep it like this and make this field optional. So whenever someone type anything on here, we would like to trace the input. So go to the conditional logic, and we would like to add another conditional logic. If someone type, that means coupon code field contains like 10 of, then we would like to do something. Actually, we would like to have two calculation, and when someone select this, we would like to display the total amount and also make some changes on the front end. So we would like to hide this field because the total amount will be reduced. So we would like to hide this field, but we would like to display another field. It will be total amount after discount. So let's create another calculation. So it will be total after discount. Then it will be like first grab the field value, then multiple by 0.9.0. that means it will be 0.9.0. that means we will give 10% off. So if someone pick the 100 option, and if we multiply by 0.90, that will be 90. So we are giving 10% off. So here it is. Now let's create another field. Just we can duplicate this total amount, after discount. We can rename this total amount after discount, or just we can keep it total amount. So the people will not be see on the front end we are having two different type of field. So they will see the total amount, it showing after discount or a discounted value. So the KL value will not be this, it will be this one. So we have to also modify our existing conditional logic. When total amount will be display, we have to disable the total amount after display. That means we have to hide this field, and at the same time we have to show this field, right? So show field, but here is one more thing here. It can be displayed only when someone contain the $10 of field. So if we are going to add here, then it can be a bit tricky. Let's try how it work. So contents, then it will be hide. At the same time, it should be another thing. It should be show, and so whenever content $10 off, total amount should be hide, and it should be show. The same thing, if doesn't match, then total amount should be show, and total amount after display should be hide. Sounds like a bit complex, but let me explain. So whenever someone applied a $10 of coupon code, then total amount, that means the full amount, should be hidden. We would like to display the discount amount, so it will be display amount should be visible. And if the condition doesn't mean, that means total amount should be display and the discount amount should be hide. So let's try this and see if that works. So gold, okay, we see the full price. Let's try 10 off. So you see, okay. So we have to make some changes on the conditional logic. We should have an AND condition here. So we don't need a separate condition. We can use this here. So the coupon code contain 10 off on the does not contain 10 off, then total amount should be visible and total amount after discount should be hidden. So whenever it will contain, total amount should be hide and discount amount should be display. Let's try this and see if that works or not. Sometimes you will have to make some A/B testing to make it work properly. So let's see, it's working fine. So let's 10 off. We have 10 off and also select the value. Let's see why it's not working. So finally I was able to figure this out. So whenever you select silver, it will be 25, infinity 100, but whenever you will type 10 off, it will be auto discounted to the specific amount. So let's see how we can achieve this. So at first we would like to have a coupon code field. We have already added, then we can set the limit to the 5 characters. So the user will not be able to type more than 5 characters. Then we would like to have a hidden field. Let's name hidden coupon and default value is 1. Why is 1? I will explain this later. And this amount, so it will be display the total amount. as it was before, but we have removed the total amount after discount field. So go to advanced calculation. We have deleted this value to display on the front end. So let's delete this. So we would like to display this. This is the value we are getting from our radio list or the membership field, and this is the hidden field. So we would like to multiple by this. So if someone did not have the coupon, so they drive this, they will have to pay 100 into 1, that means $100. But if they have 10 off, then I would like to give 10% discount, then it's $90. That's why I have added a hidden field and set the default value to 1. And then from the conditional logic is set to membership level, has select silver or has select gold infinity. The total amount field should be displayed. Otherwise, the total amount field should be hidden. And the second conditional logic I have added, if the total amount is greater than or equal to 25. Why 25? Because our minimum membership level was $25. So it was 25 for the silver. So we would like to see if someone picks the option from there and the coupon code contain 10 off. So if someone already picked any option from there, that means we have the value. And now also check if someone also applied a coupon code, then for the hidden field, we would like to change value to 0.9. That means we would like to offer 10% discount. And if the condition doesn't meet, that means we would like to change the value to 1, so no discount at all. So now if you check, you will see it's working fine. So let's fill the form, type a just random, you will see. Sorry, it was not working because I have not updated or published the form from the backend. So after I have done, it's working. So after at 10 off, it will be auto discount the amount. So this is how it's working. If you would like to add a payment gateway, let's try now. So go back here, add a payment gateway. Like I would like to take payment Stripe, using Stripe. So add a Stripe option. So we will not take the fixed amount. We would like to add the calculation amount, and it should be set to total. We would like to have the customer email address, and here I would like to enable the test mode so you can make the payment, and I can share with you. So let's publish the form and reload. Let's add all other demo information. 10 off. Let's click to submit. You see it's set to $90. So we can make the payment from there. So here is our demo card. Let's make the payment. So yeah, the $90 payment has been taken. And you can also set some success message for a specific type of payment, like it can be for discount amount, it can be for full amount. It's totally fine. You can use from their conditional logic. And this is how you can add coupon option on your existing form. I know something was not easy to implement this, but if you do, it will work fine. You know, you have to do some A/B testing all the way, so it can be good fit with your form. So give it a try and let me know if you face any issue. I will try to help you to resolve it. Just comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next time.